Hi all, welcome to the Dragon's Cave and welcome to the A-Lotl-Axolotls collaboration. Now this is going to be a bit of a weird one because I didn't think I was going to have time to join in this week, but my daughter's here and I've got some leftover resin. So we're going to do this one quick. Dana, dig around in there and see if you can find me some small blue flowers.
Oh,
No, don't give me that.
yes, I have lots of blue. I know where the blues are. Everything's separated. Now, what type of blue? If I have lots
Any
of blue,
sort of blue, any
I
sort
like-
of small flowers. Right, I've got this pretty blue mica powder. It's supposedly a chameleon, which I'm going to put in his flaps. I'm not doing a very good job of this. It's actually quite difficult to get in there. I want to try and get his gills, mud flaps, bloops, whatever they're called, done.
Yeah.
Yeah, they should do some of those. There should be some blue hydrangeas there as well.
We have these little bluey different colours.
No, I think they're too small.
Yeah. More blue ones?
Mm,
More bluey things.
I only want a few, you know.
And then you've got more purpley bluey things.
No,
Right.
bluey blue.
You want greeny blue or bluey blue?
Bluey blue.
Oh, they are bluey blue. These are greeny blue. Turquoise, these are. They're blue. These are blue.
Yeah, but those are too big.
They're not. And they're blue.
All right,
I'll
have the baby blue and the similar ones in the blue out of that box. The baby's breath. Yeah, they're green blue. Doesn't matter. Chop me some up. I'm making a right mess here because I am in a hurry. We're supposed to be going out for lunch in about 5 minutes, but
they can wait.
Obviously,
10 minutes for us.
That's not going to happen, is it?
They can wait 10 minutes.
They could, but will they want to? Was the question. I'll try and get the overspill out of there. The mess I just made.
I know. It's too early for rugby yet. Rugby's on tonight anyway, isn't it?
Rugby is tonight, yes.
Right. Do you want me to cut the stems off? Do you want just one of the flowers? You can
cut me like little sprays, like that.
Okay.
Oh, what a mess I am making. This is what happens when you rush things, you know?
You want the long stems or not?
No, I want short, like that.
Okay.
Ish. I'm going to also put some of this blue down the spine. This is going to be a right mess, I can guarantee you that, because I am rushing. And I can't even really see what I'm doing. I don't have an awful lot of room because we've already got something else in the... I'm not telling you what that is because this video is going out before that one.
That's mine.
Yeah, that's Donna's.
I'm taking up space and being
an
inconvenience.
It's fine. It's fine.
Right,
I want this to be reasonably clear. Yeah, just a few of the other colour now.
Right, okay.
I just realised I want to do the toes as well in this
put this
blue.
in the box. You know me, I like to keep everything organised. Put these away while you're doing that.
He's talking at me again.
I'm just saying I'm putting everything away before I open the other packet. So I'm
good idea.
I'll put these out of the way actually, because I'm
So I've actually been in the garage about 3 hours now, so I'm flagging. Flagging is a good word for it. I think that's going to do. I know it's not very well done, but it doesn't matter. Let me give this a quick tap over here. Get the loose powder off.
These blue can go in my
Right.
bathroom.
Yes, you can go in your bathroom.
I need to.
I am just pouring in clear resin. Now, what I should have done, and I'm stupid, is I should have sprayed some isopropyl alcohol into the gills, because otherwise I'm going to end up with bubbles. I think I had bubble-free flaps last time, but don't think I'm going to manage that this time. And yes, I know I should have gloves on, but I haven't.
That's behind you.
I haven't got the time nor the inclination to do that. I'm busy squeezing my flaps.
Oh, this is.
Getting the bubbles out of the flaps. I'm probably going to knock most of the powder off in the process, but hey, such is life.
These are quite stiff, these ones. These little blue ones.
I don't know if you can even see these bubbles rising. You should be able to.
I can see the bubbles.
I know you can see the
Ow.
bubbles. I can see the bubbles as well.
Ow.
I
Slipped myself with the scissors. I thought.
Well, that wasn't very clever, was it?
My glasses. I have no depth perception. Yeah. You're small. Only a small neck.
Are you bleeding?
No.
Well,
Just
something
broken the
to be
skin.
grateful for.
Just broken the skin. I think. Can't see any blood yet.
That's so it's almost full. I've got to sit down. I hurt now. I'm all hurty now.
Gosh darn it, Mr. Lorry man.
Carry on squeezing the flaps and make sure that I get all the bubbles out. I've got quite a few little tiny bubbles coming out to the side. Problem is when I let go, they suck them back in. It's irritating. I do my spray. There it is. Right, I think I've about squeezed all I can squeeze. Teensy weensy little bubbles coming out, but no matter. I'm just going to have some flowers.
Is that enough?
Yeah, that's fine. I'm just going to randomly throw them in.
Those lighter ones are really stiff.
Yeah. No, I also know that these bubbles, these flowers produce bubbles. So I don't know if you can see them.
Oh, my gloves are on the floor.
Why are your gloves on the floor?
I don't know. If I'd left them on, I wouldn't have cut myself, would I?
Exactly. Well, you probably would have, but you'd have cut the
Gloves
first.
I would have stopped.
Possibly, but knowing you, you wouldn't have.
Yeah. Most likely not.
Now, ideally, what I would do is put these flowers in, let this layer clear, and then put a layer behind. And I'm still debating that because the flowers are rising and I don't have time to sit here and watch them.
Hello. Martin.
That's our Lucy.
The black one.
Yeah, Lucifer.
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 They're all Callie's over there anyway.
Yeah.
Looking at me. She doesn't like
Poor Callie. Callie doesn't like anybody. Callie the calico muffin. He doesn't like people at all. Gonna like us even less after she gets neutered next week. I think I'm going to cure this and then put another layer behind, because otherwise the flowers are just going to be sitting on top. Yeah, there's lots of bubbles, lots and lots of bubbles created by the flowers. This is probably going to be a disaster, but it doesn't matter. this down into the tail if I can. And I've still got resin left over, so there's something else to throw that into.
Your microphone on, Mother.
Yeah.
I'm gonna say.
It's buried under my dressing gown, which isn't unusual. One more. Right. I am going to leave it there. I am going to put the lid on the G3 and say sod the bubbles.
That's going to my house.
It's going to your house anyway. It'll go in your bathroom because it's blue like everything else in your bathroom.
Want this over there, or does that need to go over here?
Oh, no. We bring the lid to the machine, not the machine to the lid. Yes, because all the machinery's in there. The lid doesn't really, the base doesn't really have much in the way of weight.
Well, obviously, but I didn't expect it to still be so heavy.
Just checking it's not touching anything. Press the button. It says tall, which it needs to be for the other thing that's in there. And we'll go leave that. And we will be back this evening when it's all set. See you later. Well, I think this is going to be a pretty short video because, quite frankly, I don't think I even remember to record half of it. I'm not sure. I know I didn't record putting on the back layer because I was using leftovers from something else to do it. And, yeah, I was in a hurry. And I didn't do it. Sorry about that. And this is the bit I don't look forward to because this is so difficult to demold. And of course, my mold has a split in it here. It came like that, so it wasn't me. I'm just so worried that I'm going to ruin the mold. Yeah, got a couple of little bubbles here, but it's not too bad. This is the fun bit, trying to get the head out, because the gills, and it looks like I've got a few bubbles in there too. It's sad. I'm trying to do is loosen it a little bit so that I can get some soapy water down in there. It's probably the longest part of the whole video. Right, so I'm going to do it this way. Spray some soapy water down. And see if I can work that down into the head. And up into the flaps. So the problem is that the support part is actually where the flaps are. So it's not very flexible in that general area. No, it's all slippery. It's all slippery slidey. Trying to peel this away so that I can get some soapy water down from this side as well. I often use alcohol, but it does damage the molds. And this was not a cheap mold. And separate the mold from the resin in the hopes that it'll come out a little easier. I can get it over the front of the head, which is looking unlikely. Then I can try and peel it back from this side. So I have got it shoved up against my stomach here to try and... I don't even remember how I did this last time. I have used this mould once before. It's a beautiful mould. It's just an absolute flipping mare. Get the cast out of the mould. I may be here some time. I may have to stop and have a rest. I may even have to call in reinforcements. Yeah, I need a rest. I'll be back in a minute. We did it at last. Actually, I had to get my husband to do it. There was no chance of me doing it. I have got some bubbles under here that will probably fill with UV. But look at him. Isn't he gorgeous? That the bottom coat that I put in is a purple-blue chameleon shift. So lovely and clear. I'm kind of sorry that I put the powder down the spine. I think it spoils it a little bit. The flowers didn't work too badly. I'm surprised it actually stayed this way. But he needs a face. And I have got a metallic blue, which I'm going to do his eyes with. I'm going to use the same metallic blue to do his smiley little face and his nostrils. And then when that's dry, I'm going to put a little bit of the black metallic just in the centres of his eyes. Hope you liked the video, short as it was. Please check out the A-Lotl-Axolotls playlist down here. Give us a thumbs up. Thank you very, very much to all my subscribers. If you're not already subscribed, I'd really appreciate it if you would. Please think about it. There's a button just down here somewhere. It doesn't cost you anything and it does help my channel get promoted by YouTube. And I will see you all again very soon for the next one.
In a quiet little corner tucked away from the light, there's a cave full of colors that glow through the night. Glitter and brushes, soft clay and lace, and the scent of sweet resin flows all through the space. In the dragon's cave where the magic flows, she dreams up the creatures the whole world knows. Frogs with crowns and fairy wings, sleepy ones on logs, each made with love and gentle hands, a world of wondrous frogs. There's eco-resin cooling by a tiny glass stream, and a mushroom-shaped frog made from lavender dreams, with shimmer and sparkle